this video, we will hear and see if Rizal is really a hero in our country, which is the Philippines, or not. And this is according to our interviewer, which are the parents, the teachers, and the students. But before that, let me give a little background on Rizal. So, good day everyone. Our historian Ambet Ocampo stated that Rizal was a conscious hero and he had projected himself as a national figure prior to his execution, and he was damned as the national hero by Andres Bonifacio. Rizal fought for freedom in a quiet but effective manner. Instead of using violence and hostility, he wrote books, essays, and articles to show his love for the Philippines. Andres Bonifacio was a very remarkable individual for his period. So now, this is the time that we will show you if Rizal is real hero in our country, which is the Philippines, or not.
Based on your opinion, is Jose Rizal Mercado is a Philippine hero or not?
For me, since I do write and I believe in the power of words in writing, I consider Mr. Rizal as a national hero because of his contributions in many fields in our Philippine history, especially with the battle against the Spaniards and in gaining independence for the Philippines. First and foremost, I consider him as a national hero because he is a writer and his written outputs, especially the literary pieces that he has created, for example, the Nolly and Arthur pushed many people, especially Filipinos, to revolt. So, aside from him making silent revolutions, he was able to move people into doing actions that would actually make Philippines free from the colonization of the Spaniards. Aside from that, he's also contributed a lot when it comes to the body of knowledge. There were speeches named after him.
For you, is Dr. Rizal is a Philippine hero or not?
For me, Dr. Rizal is a Philippine hero because if you're going to look on his contribution, especially to the revolution of the Philippines, because of his writings, which is the Nolly Tangere and Cristianismo, he opens the mind of Filipinos to see the abusing actions of the Spaniards. So we can really consider him as a hero because his contributions not only involve about the revolution but also in the literacy, of the Philippines, and also Rizal has a lot of let's say connections and contributions, especially to the revolution. Is Rizal Philippine hero or not?
Si Rizal ay, para sa akin, si Rizal ay isa sa ating mga magiging mga bayani dahil para sa akin personally, yung pagiging bayani is, di ba, if may nakontribute ka sa bansa. So, as of now, hindi pa naman na-declare si Rizal as our official bayani. Kumbaga, pinagpipilian pa sila.
Is Rizal is Philippine hero or not?
Philippine hero. Bakit? Kasi nagbuwis siya ng buhay para sa ating mga Pilipino.